Welcome to this short video just to indicate or explain the usage and the functionality of the hymn concordance that has been built into this little application. So the hymn concordance will work offline. However, you need to firstly download the hymn data onto this device. So to do that, you go to the settings page, the settings button at the top. It will load the congregation settings, and then there is a button here that says the publication data was cached today. Yours might say it hasn't been cached, but that you basically allow offline search. So if you want to get the latest data, you just click on fetch publication data from service. It basically then fetches all the published books with their lyrics if that's available, with their titles if that's available. Now I know that my data is up to date. Then I can just go back to my hymn concordance. Now the concordance button, or this button, whichever one you prefer, you click on that, and then now it allows you to search. Now you can search if you want to search a specific publication, if you want to search for a specific number, a specific topic, a specific suitability. The suitability and the topic the information might be a little bit sparse, but as I go on, the data will be populated. The nice thing is that it's populated in a central location, so if you just click on fetch new data, then you will get the latest information from the central storage. Okay, so now let's say I want to search just Afrikaans number 1. It will show you the Afrikaans number 1. It will give you the title, and then if I say view, it will show me this is number 1. It's tagged with reverence as the topic, and it's tagged as an opening hymn as suitability. Okay, let's say I don't know the number, so I want to search Liefde. If we search Liefde, then I can say, you can see it shows me Afrikaans, it's got number 1. Almachtig, verse 2 has got the word Liefde in. If I say all publications, then obviously it becomes a bit more tricky because Liefde is not a bilingual word. Let's say I want grace. Then it will show me in the choir hymn collection, you've got grace in number 1. And if I scroll down, eventually I will find, okay, grace is not maybe a big word. There's the English hymnal, I've got grace. Yeah, and so I don't think there's any other ones that will have the word grace in it. The other thing that you will notice as well, let's take that new word. I want to go to English hymnal, and I want to say I want worship. Okay, so now I find the hymn, I worship you, Almighty God. Oh, that's beautiful. You go view. You will also notice that it will tell you whether or not there is another hymn book with this melody. So in this case, there's a translated version of 19, which is Afrikaans number 5, Ek het jou lief. Yeah, and that is basically the concordance. Should you have any suggestions, just let me know. But yeah, I think that is basically it. If you want to go back to your schedule, you can just go back to your schedule. If you have an account, you can also pin this URL because the app will work without data. So once you've signed in first with data and you've downloaded the publication data, everything should work offline as well. Just the in concordance part. The schedule and that sort of thing can't work offline because it's a central repository. Everything is stored and has to be shared between different people. And that is the end of it. Thank you very much and enjoy.